Hi and welcome to T.E.C. Stair Decor. Today I'm going to show you how to install both the flat and the angled stair shoe. To begin with the flat stair shoe, it comes in 4 pieces. When it comes to you, these 2 pieces will be partially together like this. And we do that so that everyone knows that we've examined them and made sure that they go together well. These little half moons are the locks. On one side you'll see some minor indentations. That's to help you so you know which is the bottom and which is the top. The bottom have the indentations. Simply you slide the first one into position and you want to ready the second one. So again you look to see which is the bottom, and once you know, you just slide it together so that it's ready. So now, having both the male and the female in your hand, put the male to the back and hold it against your iron rod, and then gently slide it into position. And when you're finished, you can push evenly on both halves, and that's it. It's done.